Today we're going to be making the craziest Air Force Ones. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we are going to be finishing the inside, the liner, and pretty much wrapping up the uppers for the Air Force Ones. As you can see, we got the all white on the outside. We got the vice versa Nike signs on the inside, this being Anaconda and Python, this being Python and Python. So I think that's gonna come out very nice. But as you can see, the uppers are all finished. All that we gotta do is put the liner on the inside. I have both of the tongues finished as well, so they're a little bit different looking. That's what I went for. I didn't want them to look the same. We also got the Python for the back tab right here. So all that I gotta do is pretty much stitch that all together, put the insides in, foam, all that stuff, pretty much fold the liner right over, and then we're gonna have that. From there, we'll stitch the tongue on, make ourselves some hole for the laces. We already did that on the one shoe, so we gotta do that on the other shoe, and then we'll be ready. I wanted to mention that I'll be giving away Air Jordan 1 pattern at the end of each month, starting this month. All you gotta do is become a member of the channel as a premium or VIP member. You got other exclusives as well, but I just want to mention that for everyone that's interested in patterns. In order to enter that, all you got to do is become a member, so go check that out. So the Air Force Ones are all finished. As you can see, they came out really nice. I'm super happy with how they're turning out. You got the quilting, you got the Python, all the Python on the tongue, as well as the Anaconda and Python. I think it's wrapping up really nicely. You got the custom tongue. I think that's probably my favorite, just the quilting. And then you got the red liner. And the red liner on the inside just goes very well with the all white on the outside. I think it's very tasteful. I think it's a really nice look. Now looking back at it, what I gotta do is repunch the two holes up here just so the liner doesn't, cover the hole, or else I can't put the laces through. But I think it's coming out great so far. You got the nice touch on the back. As you can see, we did that a little bit earlier. You got the Python on Python. You got the Python up here. We just did one stitch right across in order to stitch the tongue to that, so not too bad. But we got the red suede on the inside for the liner, 1 ounce leather. Very simple, basic. I get a lot of questions: what type of leather, what thickness of leather, what heavy weight of leather do I use for the liner? And that's what I use, just 1 ounce. Very simple, easy. The place that I get them at, it's very cheap. It's like 20 bucks for a full-on sheet, so not too bad. But that's what I use for the inside. Also, you know, outside just normal white leather. You got the white leather that I quilted just with the foam underneath, so go check out that old video. You got the Python, you got the Anaconda. Anaconda, I backed it up with some stiffener stuff, so that's all I did with that. But this is how they look. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these. Also, go check out the membership. Get a chance to win a pattern of your size in an Air Jordan 1. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Let me know what you think about this. Go check out the Facebook group as well as my merch link down in the description. Join my shoemaking class today. 100% online. Links down in the description. But thanks for watching and have a great day.